Here is the thing about dressing well in 2026. It is no longer about having the most clothes or constantly chasing whatever trend appears on your screen that week. The women who consistently look put together have quietly shifted their approach. They are paying less attention to novelty and more attention to versatility. They are choosing pieces that work hard for them, pieces that move effortlessly between seasons, occasions, and moods. And two of the most important categories where this shift is happening right now are sneakers and jeans. Sneakers and denim have always been wardrobe staples. But what makes 2026 interesting is how refined these basics are becoming. There is a clear move away from extremes, away from overly trendy shapes that only work for a moment, and toward silhouettes that feel thoughtful, balanced, and quietly confident. The kind of pieces you can wear again and again without feeling repetitive or dated. What is especially refreshing is that these trends are not asking you to reinvent your style. In fact, they are designed to integrate seamlessly into what you already own. They go with almost everything: dresses, blazers, knits, coats, simple tops. And that is exactly why they matter. Today, we are breaking down the top 5 sneaker and jean trends for 2026 that pair effortlessly with almost any wardrobe. These are the combinations fashion editors, stylists, and buyers are gravitating toward because they make getting dressed easier, not harder. They are comfortable, modern, and most importantly, wearable in real life. Let us start with what is happening in the sneaker world. There has been a noticeable shift away from sneakers that dominate the outfit. For years, chunky soles and exaggerated shapes were everywhere. They made a statement, but they also limited what you could wear them with. In 2026, the focus is on sneakers that support the outfit rather than overpower it. The first major sneaker trend is the return of the slim, low-profile silhouette. These sneakers take inspiration from vintage court and football styles, with thinner soles, streamlined shapes, and minimal branding. What makes them so appealing is their subtlety. They do not draw attention to themselves, which means they work with almost everything. Straight-leg jeans, stovepipe silhouettes, tailored trousers, relaxed denim, even dresses and skirts. Because the profile is so clean, these sneakers create a longer, more elegant line through the leg. They feel modern without trying too hard, and they bring a sense of quiet polish that works beautifully for everyday wear. This is the kind of sneaker you can wear running errands in the morning and still feel appropriate meeting someone for lunch in the afternoon. The second sneaker trend gaining momentum is the rise of suede and soft textured finishes. Smooth leather and canvas will always have their place, but suede brings something different. It adds depth, it adds warmth, and it immediately makes an outfit feel more considered. Suede sneakers work especially well with denim because they create contrast. The softness of the texture balances the structure of jeans, particularly darker washes or more tailored silhouettes. They feel slightly elevated, even when paired with something very simple. A white t-shirt, straight jeans, and suede sneakers suddenly looks intentional rather than basic. The third sneaker trend is the move toward richer, more grounded color palettes. Crisp white sneakers are not disappearing, but they are no longer the default. In their place, we are seeing deeper tones like burgundy, forest green, chocolate brown, muted navy, and warm taupe. These colors are surprisingly versatile. Because they are not overly bright, they blend easily into neutral wardrobes. They work with black, beige, gray, denim, and cream without clashing. And they add interest without becoming the focal point. A pair of deep-colored sneakers can anchor an outfit and make it feel more complete, especially when the rest of the look is simple. The fourth sneaker trend is the influence of ballets and minimalist hybrid designs. Sometimes referred to as sneakerinas, these styles combine the comfort of a sneaker with the grace of a ballet flat. Softer uppers, flexible soles, and subtle strap details give them a refined appearance. What makes these sneakers so wearable is their ability to bridge casual and polished. They pair beautifully with straight and slim jeans, but also work with dresses and skirts in a way traditional trainers sometimes do not. They feel modern, feminine, and understated. And because they are visually lighter, they keep outfits feeling balanced. The fifth sneaker trend is the refined trail influence. While hiking inspired sneakers have been around for a while, the 2026 versions are more streamlined. The shapes are cleaner, the color palette's more controlled, and the overall effect more architectural than sporty. These sneakers work particularly well when you want to ground softer pieces. Think relaxed denim, fluid knits, or even simple dresses. The contrast creates interest without chaos. It feels intentional and current, rather than overly styled. Now let us talk about denim, because jeans are undergoing just as much evolution. The denim trends of 2026 are about refinement and proportion. There is a clear rejection of extremes here as well. Instead of ultra-tight or overly exaggerated shapes, the focus is on silhouettes that skim the body and move naturally. The first major Gian trend is the stovepipe silhouette. This cut sits somewhere between skinny and straight. It follows the leg without clinging and maintains a consistent width from hip to hem. The result is clean, flattering, and incredibly versatile. Stovepipe jeans work with almost every sneaker trend we discussed. They create a balanced line that feels modern and polished. They are easy to dress up or down and look equally good with a blazer, a knit, or a simple t-shirt. The second denim trend is the continued rise of dark, saturated washes. Deep indigo, inky blue, and near black denim are everywhere. These washes immediately elevate an outfit. They read as more polished and intentional, making jeans feel closer to tailored trousers. Dark denim pairs seamlessly with neutral sneakers and richer colors alike. It creates a strong foundation that allows other pieces to shine without looking busy. This is one of the easiest ways to make a casual outfit feel more refined. The third jean trend is the relaxed but controlled wide leg. These are not the sloppy, baggy jeans of the past. Instead, they have length, structure, and a fluid drape. The key is proportion. When paired with streamlined sneakers, wide-leg jeans feel elegant rather than heavy. The contrast between volume and simplicity creates a look that feels confident and modern. These jeans work especially well with shorter jackets, fitted knits, or clean button-downs. The fourth denim trend is the refined boot cut. This silhouette has returned quietly and thoughtfully. It stays fitted through the thigh and knee before opening slightly at the hem. The effect is subtle, elongating, and timeless. Bootcut jeans pair beautifully with low-profile sneakers and hybrid styles. They create a smooth line that feels classic without being dated. This is a silhouette that works across ages and styles because it respects balance. The fifth and final denim trend is the expansion of neutral and alternative washes. Cream, ecru, soft gray, and muted khaki are becoming wardrobe staples rather than seasonal pieces. These colors feel fresh and modern, especially when paired with richer sneaker tones. Neutral denim works with almost everything because it acts as a canvas. It allows sneakers, tops, and outerwear to do the talking while keeping the overall look cohesive. Now, when it comes to pairing sneakers and jeans in 2026, the key is harmony. Slim sneakers balance structured denim. Relaxed jeans need cleaner footwear. Rich colors work best when the rest of the outfit stays calm. Texture matters more than ever. These trends are not about perfection. They are about understanding what works together and letting that guide your choices. When sneakers and jeans are in conversation with each other, the entire outfit feels intentional. And that is really what defines modern style right now. Not excess, not constant change, but thoughtful combinations that support your life. There you have it. 5 sneaker trends and 5 jean trends shaping how we dress in 2026. Pieces that go with almost everything because they were designed to. Pieces that make getting dressed simpler, more enjoyable, and more confident. The women who always look put together are not trying harder. They are choosing better. And these sneaker and jean combinations give you exactly that foundation. If this resonated with you, I would love to know which trend you are most drawn to. And if you found this helpful, staying connected here means more conversations like this about dressing with ease, confidence, and quiet elegance. Until next time, keep your style thoughtful and true to you.